This video demonstrates the cleaning process for semiconductor chamber parts. Laser cleaning technology is used to effectively remove chamber parts contaminants. This non-contact, dry cleaning method enables safe operation without the use of chemicals. No residue is left behind after the cleaning process. Particles and surface contaminants are removed efficiently. Sensitive components are protected from potential damage. Consistent cleaning performance is achieved even on complex geometries. As shown in the comparison, surface cleanliness is significantly improved. This results in enhanced equipment performance and improved process reliability. An optimized cleaning solution for semiconductor applications.